All right, so we have the door handles here. I was hoping to have some paintable ones still, but we got chrome, which will be fine. We're gonna be doing it in the C series because I gotta do the wheels and some chrome that's on the body. But we'll get these sandblasted. This is 100 grit aluminum oxide. This is specifically for Cerakote, and so that's what this one is for. This is the Harbor Freight sandblasting cabinet, and it works decent, but I do gotta seal some areas up there around the corners and stuff. But let's get sandblasted. All right, so that worked really good. That's all you need. Just barely pit it just enough so that the Cerakote can stay. It shouldn't flake off this fake chrome. So we'll get these all done and head back over to the shop, get them Cerakoted. Okay, so we got the handles hooked up. Here's an example of one. I forgot recording like normal, but put rubbing alcohol in here, 91% or 99. Blow them off. Make sure there's anything that can make it stick or peel off. And then I blew everything off really good. And then you just mix the Cerakote and put in. And that is it. So very first you have a small little pattern, and you want to come in like here, and I'm going to hit all inside those grooves from this side, and then I'm going to come up from this direction and hit that way, and the same in there. Come down in here, and then I'll come up through this way. We'll hit everything, get inside the handle really good, and then we'll turn it to the normal fan pattern and hit the whole thing. All right, guys, so we got them done. It looks pretty cool. I had a tripod when I did some other parts, but I'm using my phone and I don't want to ruin my phone. So to do these things and show you easier how to do it, we'll get there eventually. But I'd like a dedicated camera for that because, well, I don't want to ruin my phone. Anyway, there's the burnt bronze, and that looks freaking sweet. That looks amazing. Let's go see what it looks like next to the, I'm impatient here, I should wait, but I want to see what it looks like next to the Denali. All right, that is gonna look wicked. I mean, that's gonna be awesome. Might have chrome. Actually, I don't even like the chrome on there. See that? I don't even like it. This will look way better on there. We'll do the wheels, the chrome, this, and little chrome piece on the back, and the top, I'm actually just gonna black that stuff out. Anyway, let's move on to the next thing.